Seiko are back with yet another collaboration piece from their Seiko 5 line. This time they've worked with MOAI, an artist working in Japan with the theme of anonymity. Unboxing this piece, you are immersed within the artist's work. The box feels high quality and features this collage of faceless figures. And you can probably guess how this piece will look based on everything you've seen so far. And here it is. A 42.5mm automatic Seiko 5 with hand winding capabilities, day and date function, and a power reserve of 41 hours. This collaboration has resulted in a truly stunning watch. It is unlike anything I've seen. If you're wearing this piece, you can rest assured you are very unlikely to run into someone with the same watch as you, as Seiko are only making 1,500 of them. The case features a matte black finish where it isn't covered in the abstract artwork, and it's housed on a quality calf leather bracelet. It's a conversation starter, a special occasion watch, whatever you want to call it. All I know is it's awesome. We've got LumiBright on the hands and hour markers, which is always cool. An exhibition case back includes another faceless figure. And in terms of build quality, well, Seiko are renowned for their quality materials, and this piece is no exception. As I've mentioned earlier, this watch is of very limited stock. There's no guarantee by the time you watch this video that we still stock it. So if you're interested in purchasing this piece, see the link in the description. If you're unable to snatch this piece up, don't worry, we have plenty more Seiko 5s in stock. You can shop these in store or online at shields.com.au.